In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Brother DCP-C75CW series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for Brother DCP-C75CW support. One of the best results, you come back over Brother DCP-750W. You can select either the support.brother.com or the more regional local link here. We're going to select just the Brother USA page. Select Windows, Mac, or Linux. If you want the full package installer, we're going to go underneath and select an older version of a 64-bit operating system, so Windows Vista 64-bit, and then select OK. And then we're going to select full driver and software package. And then scrolling down, you want to agree to the license terms and download. And then once it's on our system, go ahead and select keep. And then we're going to run or decompress the file or folder once it's on our system. So go ahead and open that up. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and then proceed with the on-screen wizard of getting your printer configured for your device settings, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.